In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests on Airbnb. This process is simple and straightforward even for those of you who may be new to using Airbnb's platform. Whether you're a host planning for a group visit or just looking to modify an upcoming trip's guest list, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. To begin, open your browser and head over to Airbnb's website. Once you're there, look towards the top of the home page where you'll see the search bar prominently displayed. This is your starting point for planning any travel arrangement on Airbnb. In the search bar, you'll want to enter the location where your trip is planned. Sometimes if you have previous searches, suggestions may appear. Make sure you're selecting the correct destination for your travel needs. This is an important step as it sets the context for your entire booking experience. Next, it's time to select your check-in and check-out dates. These options are available just below the search bar. Simply click on the calendar icon and proceed to choose your intended dates of stay. If your travel plans are flexible, you might see some highlighted dates showing the best prices offered around your intended timeline. This feature can be especially handy for ensuring that you get the best deal available. Now, once your dates are selected, let's focus on an essential part of your reservation, the number of guests. Right next to the calendar section, you'll see a tab labeled Who. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to add guests to your booking. Here's how you do it. Use the plus button to increase the number of adults, children, or even pets if the place you're interested in allows them. This is a crucial step as it ensures that your accommodation fits the needs of your entire party. Pay attention to any limits on the number of guests to avoid surprises upon arrival. After you've added all your guests, you're almost done. You'll notice an option to either close or save your current selections. Clicking Save makes sure your selections are securely locked in, while clicking Close will exit you from this menu without saving changes, which is handy if you make a mistake and need to start over. Once your guests are added, you can proceed with browsing available properties and make your booking confidently, knowing you've accounted for everyone. In conclusion, adding guests to your Airbnb booking is a straightforward process, and with these steps, you'll find it hassle-free. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope your next trip is as enjoyable as it is organized. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. Happy traveling,